Very good morning, Abhishek here. First of all, sorry for the late video. Last few days have been very busy for me. So, we'll analyze how we can, decode market for today's session, that is Monday. So, what happened on last Friday? Okay, Friday, our view was bullish. We were clearly bullish that we were expecting the market will go up, and the market did went up, but it didn't sustain there. Okay, so our view was right. Market has shown us some upside after the RBI move, but from there, selling has came. Not selling, but I think the it's back into the consolidation zone, congestion zone. uh, why market is has been consolidating for I think last 2 3 days. If we'll move to the daily chart, you'll got to know, right? On a daily chart, you will see some two inside candles kind of formation, and that is a sign that market is looking for some direction, and direction going to be a you know uh, very convincing one, because a huge consolidation has been happened. A lot of participant has made their position, and then it's a ideal time to the market up. Where market can go, it is looking for upside or downside. We'll find out that from data. First of all, we'll see the OI data of the FIs and all those people. Okay, so FIs are clearly, taking 12,000 contracts with them on the bullish side. That is not a huge number, but it's on the positive side. So, I mean, it's positive for the market. But net on net, they are still having bearish position, and that is something worrying me. I mean, it's not at the level that we can expect something big, but yes, some indication are there that there will be no immediate fall. But if it, the pattern that has been seen for last few days, if it continues, then we might be heading into a territory where we can have a severe fall. Because I have been, analyzed this data during many falls, and I have, read some kind of, uh, you can say, experience with the data, so that I can sense some bearishness, not immediate. I'm telling you, there is no immediate bearishness. Market might go up today, and there is a huge chance we will be going up. The another reason being, look at the VIX. I have also started tracking VIX from today, because I think VIX is also important for data analysis. So VIX is also showing that upside might be possible. So today we will be looking for the upside trade, but long term, just for the information, be cautious on your longs, because uh, why I'll tell you. Uh, I mean, FIs are taking some bullish position in call option, but look at the futures. On futures, they are secretly, matlab, without even a people can notice, they offloading their positions on futures, and futures is something that is used for long term. And when long term stock is getting empty, so that is something that we are near to the top. That might be the conclusion I can draw from this. Okay. Many people will doubt, because people are looking for 40,000, 20,000, and all those numbers in Nifty and Bank Nifty. But guys, we have to look at the global scenario. The coal crisis, or you can say the power crisis, is building up. There is also, very much inflation is very high. I mean, the metal prices, the energy prices are going like rocket. So all these things, you cannot hide these things for too long, and that is why we are seeing, hidden divergence. You even data divergence, where they are telling us to be bullish, but they are slowly getting bearish. And one more signature is there. Look at the this is the cash flow inflow. FIs clearly, just booking their profits, you can say. I mean, the one line they have booked profit here. I mean, on the highs, they are secretly booking the profits, and that is something worrying me for the long term. That This is about long term, guys. Today we will be bullish. We will be looking for the ups. I mean, breakout on the upside. That is quite possible. Even 39,000 could be the possibility next 2 3 days, as per the current data. But be cautious on the long. If you have very equity long, please, I will say, dilute your positions to little bit, because when big guys are diluting it, you must also do. Look, this is a dilution. I mean, they have, if you'll see, almost 10,000 crore selling is there in last 10 days, you can say. Okay, so CD analysis, cumulative delta analysis, back nifty, I mean, has some negative, you can say, flat delta, but nifty has been, after a very big negative delta, they have almost, exactly the number they have covered it. So it is showing that yes, market wanted to go up for the maybe one last time, but it is showing signs for immediate upside. But for the long term, for the next 1 or 2 months, be cautious. About the call, I think a huge call writing is there. That is again indicating that uh, a huge short position has been built by the retailers. Are the one who have built most of the short positions. So this will invite short covering of market to go up. That is also positive for the market. About the cumulative delta of most traded PE, and that is less than CE, and most of the writers are retail. So you can say writers retail, and some of the writing has been done by the FIIs. So this is not so bullish for the market, but overall, if you'll see scenario, looks bullish to me. Uh, why bullish? Two main reasons: because of the FIs are carrying 10,000 C contract long, and very wicks. You can also consider wicks and other factors, indicating that market wanted to go up. So be prepared. Take the upside trade confidently. On a downside, we watch fully the short term intraday. I'm talking about long term. Things are not looking really good. I mean, they are not looking really bad, but they are not also looking really good. So back to the 5 minute chart, we can buy and sell, right? Guys, look at, this is the zone. Let me shift to this chart. Okay. So this is a zone. I mean, below this market will be volatile. If you are seeing market below this, it will just go up and down, eat a stop loss on those things. Above that, strength will come. Above that, the panic will arrive of the shorters who people are shorted here. Above this market, will try to test this high, and when this high is broken out, sorry, when this high is taken out, we can expect some good upside. Okay. Uh, this is one immediate resistance, and this is resistance which looks serious. It's not, I mean, because a two time rotation has been happened from these levels only, and it's indication that some strong sellers are sitting there. So look for the buy opportunity. First, you can buy above this rectangle. Okay. For this target, above this market will get some serious momentum, and momentum could break all time high also. And about the selling, obviously, clearly you can say technical support is there, and after that, this level is also very important, which have seen consolidations. So these are the levels which you should be looking. Below this, you can short it for with this level as being as a target, but very few chances that we might be visiting these levels, because we will first visit the higher levels, then we can come down a very sharply. But for today, be bullish. So I summarize the day, whatever we talked about. There is data is showing us signs that market wanted to go up for Monday. Okay, long term, be cautious because data divergence is there. Something not looking very rosy to me, because in such scenario data should be very positive, but that is not. And continuous selling in the index futures and cash is telling me that this is the top is very near. Okay, so I hope you will have a good trading day today. Take care. Please share this video if you like, and comment, subscribe. That will always help my YouTube channel to grow. So have a good day, guys. Take care.